Affirmations from the Heart from HappierThanEver.com. I am a beloved child of God on this earth today for a holy purpose that is unveiled to me as I need to know it. All my thoughts are inspired by God to nourish and serve both me and humanity. Everyone I meet wishes me well, and I do the same for them. Whatever I desire manifests itself for my highest and best good, and that of everyone else involved. I do wonderful work in a wonderful way, and give wonderful service for wonderful pay. I love money, and money loves me. Whenever I have not, it is because I have not yet asked the universe to send it to me. I do what I love, and people pay me for it. I enjoy being the giver when it is time for others to receive. When I am ready to receive, my giver appears. I have a powerful immune system to protect me from illness. I have guardian angels that protect me from injury and negative forces. I am surrounded by divine light and love and reflect that back to others. I have been given a special blessing from God to remain free of illness and disability throughout my life in this physical body. I remain safe from danger and fear and certain of the goodness of all of humanity. Affirmations from the heart inspire me to do good on earth. I expect miracles and experience them every day. I expect love and find it everywhere around me. There are no problems, only solutions that I don't know about yet. This physical life is only the beginning of a glorious adventure with joy as the ultimate destiny. For more affirmations and happy thoughts, please visit HappierThanEver.com. Affirmations from the Heart from HappierThanEver.com.